Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you step-by-step on how to manually set up the TP-Link Archer MR600 router 4G LTE router. If you're using this for home, office, or travel, this setup will get you online in no time. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll receive everything you need to get started: the TP-Link TLMR6400 4G LTE router, a power adapter for reliable energy supply, an Ethernet cable for wired connections, and a quick installation guide to assist with easy setup. At the back of the TP-Link TLMR6400 router, you'll find the SIM card slot. Carefully insert your micro SIM card into the slot, ensuring it is aligned correctly, and click securely into place for proper detection and network connectivity. After inserting the SIM card, connect the TP-Link TLMR6400 router to a power outlet using the included power adapter. Press the power button to turn it on, and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize, indicating the device is ready for setup. Now, connect your computer or mobile device to the router. You can do this using a LAN cable or by connecting to the default Wi-Fi network name printed on the sticker under the router. The default Wi-Fi password is also listed there. Open a browser and type in 192.168.1.1 or tplinkmodem.net. Press Enter. You'll be asked to create a new admin password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Once logged in, go to Advanced Settings or Network Internet Settings. Here, you can manually enter the APN settings provided by your mobile carrier. If you're unsure, contact your SIM provider. Click Save when done. Now, customize your Wi-Fi network. Go to Wireless Settings, change the SSID to a name of your choice, and set a strong password. This will make it easier to identify your network and keep it secure. Launch a web browser on your connected device and try visiting any website to test your internet connection. If all settings were applied correctly, your TP-Link TLMR6400 router should now be providing a stable 4G LTE internet connection. If you experience any issues or need assistance during the setup process, don't worry, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Feel free to reach out to our skilled professionals for expert guidance and troubleshooting at 1-323-507-3713. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link Archer MR600 router manually. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.